A table, a chair, a bowl of fruit, and a violin. What else does a man need to be happy? The most incomprehensible thing about the world is that it is comprehensible. We should take care not to make the intellect our God. It has, of course, powerful muscles, but no personality. The world will not be destroyed by those who do evil, but by those who watch them without doing anything. I fear the day that technology will surpass our human interaction. The world will have a generation of idiots. Science without religion is lame, religion without science is blind. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. I am a deeply religious non-believer. This is a somewhat new kind of religion. We should strive to do things in His spirit, not to use violence in fighting for our cause, but by non-participation in anything you believe is evil. The release of atom power has changed everything except our way of thinking. The human spirit must prevail over technology. Peace is not merely the absence of war, but the presence of justice, of law, of order. The value of a man resides in what he gives and not in what he is capable of receiving. I believe that a simple and unassuming manner of life is best for everyone, best both for the body and the mind. The secret to creativity is knowing how to hide your sources. Creativity is intelligence having fun. I know not with what weapons World War III will be fought, but World War IV will be fought with sticks and stones. The only thing that interferes with my learning is my education. Common sense is the collection of prejudices acquired by age 18. Everything should be made as simple as possible, but not simpler. It's not that I'm so smart. It's just that I stay with problems longer. Do not worry about your difficulties in mathematics. I can assure you mine are still greater. Anyone who has never made a mistake has never tried anything new. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination. The most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious. It is the source of all true art and science. Gravitation is not responsible for people falling in love. The difference between stupidity and genius is that genius has its limits. Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow. The important thing is not to stop questioning. Weak people revenge, strong people forgive. Intelligent people ignore. It's not what I know, it's what I can find out. I have reached an age when, if someone tells me to wear socks, I don't have to. In the midst of every crisis lies great opportunity. Life is a preparation for the future, and the best preparation for the future is to live as if there were none. If you can't explain it simply, you don't understand it well enough. The value of a man should be seen in what he gives and not in what he is able to receive. Do not worry about your difficulties in mathematics. I can assure you mine are still greater. Reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. The measure of intelligence is the ability to change. The world as we have created it is a process of our thinking. It cannot be changed without changing our thinking. Not everything that counts can be counted, and not everything that can be counted counts. A human being is part of the whole, called by us universe, a part limited in time and in space. Once we accept our limits, we go beyond them. I am enough of an artist to draw freely upon my imagination. The only thing that interferes with my learning is my education. It's not that I'm so smart. It's just that I stay with problems longer. Only those who attempt the absurd can achieve the impossible. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. The high destiny of the individual is to serve, rather than to rule. Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from mediocre minds. The world is a dangerous place, not because of those who do evil, but because of those who look on and do nothing.